Hey stitching muses, and welcome back to Sewing Vision. I am Vivian, and today we are making the lace version of the Carmen Bralette. This design keeps all the comfort of the classic bralette, but with the gorgeous lace overlay on the front. It's a simple detail that makes the whole bralette look extra special, and it's really easy, so let's get started. Before we start sewing, just a quick note. You can grab this lace on pattern piece on my website just for $1. It works together with the original Carmen Bralette pattern and lets you turn it into this lacy version. So I will cut my lace piece out from the paper. And don't forget to bring your Carmen Bralette pattern. For this laced version, you will need the same fabrics as for the classic Carmen Bralette. So it's cotton jersey, your straps, strap loops, underbust elastic, classic bra closure, and also 2 hooks and 2 sliders for the straps. And of course, you will need a lace. I recommend elastic one, at least 17 centimeters wide. I will do this really quickly because this is more about the lace. But if you want to see the full version, it's right here. Or maybe here. Or maybe there, somewhere. I will put it somewhere so you can check the full tutorial. Now I will cut my first front piece on the fold from the main fabric. And oops, I forgot the dart. Oopsie, oopsie. Okay, and we need 2 of them, so I will cut one more. Doing it anyway. All right. Don't forget the dart. Don't be like this. Okay. And oopsie, oopsie. Okay, so we have 2 front pieces and 4 back pieces. I'm using the same fabric for the wrong and right side. So this is much easier and faster. And now grab your lace and we will place the edge along the decorative lace edge. So I think it can be like this, and we can cut 1, and then I will place it on the other side, so I will get 2 symmetrical pieces, and I will cut the second one. All right. And the best part is coming now. Okay. So place the front piece from the main fabric and then place the lace wrong side to the right side of the front piece and pin or baste it in a place. I think I can use just the pins. I have more here. So I think I will sew one side first and then the other side, so we can move to regular sewing machine, and I will top stitch the decorative lace edge with a small zigzag, and also the other edges with a long straight stitch. So let's go. So my zigzag settings are 2.5 the length and 2.5 width. I'm using the white threads, and then we will top stitch the lace edge. And I will also sew in place the other edges with the long zigzag stitch, oh, with the long straight stitch, sorry. You know what I realized? Maybe I should sew the darts first. So I will sew the darts now, and then I will continue with the lace on the other side, and we can see the difference. So I will show you the caps after sewing my darts. This is the first one, and this will be the second one. I will top stitch the lace after I sew the dart. But I really recommend to sew the darts first. I totally forget that. Alright, so I pinned my second lace side, and I will top stitch it the same way as the first one. You can use the basting thread instead of the sewing. It's completely up to you. So that's basically the only difference between the lace and the classic style, just adding the lace overlay on the front piece. I will finish the rest of the sewing really quickly, but I made a full tutorial how to make the Carmen Bralette, so you can check it. Also the lining front. Now I will place them right sides together with the lace piece on the top. and sew the top edges, leaving the strap openings open. Take your straps and insert them into the straps openings and make sure the right side of the strap is facing the right side of your bralette. And also the second one, strap and the strap opening. You can help yourself with, or the strap with the tweezers. And sew the straps in a place with a straight stitch. Turn your Carmen right side out. And if you use my pro tip right here, you will turn it really easy. Alright. And pin and baste the bottom edge. Now mark the center on the front and also on the underbust elastic. Now we can match the marks and baste the bralette and the elastic. And I will sew these layers together on the cover stitch machine. And now straps, closure, and we are done. So I will thread my straps through the slider hook and back to the slider. Also the second one. That's the problem right there. Alright, now we can sew the closure and also the strap edges in a place. And my lacy Carmen is ready to wear. On this side I sewed the dart first and then added the lace, and on the other side I sewed the lace first and then the dart. So which one do you think looks better? Or or are they the same? Let me know in the comments. And your lace Carmen is ready to wear. To be honest, I'm not really sure if I love this design or not, but this is definitely the way you can turn your bralette into the lace piece. I will give it another try, maybe with a different pattern, but let me know in the comments if you like this one. And stay tuned, because the next time we are sewing the Stella panties with the lace back to complete this set. So see you soon.